Hello to all my forest and nature loving friends of YouTube. I'm back with another video and it's a beautiful day. Wow. Today guys, looks like a lovely path up through there. Today I'm going to be heading over in that direction because we're going to be checking out some Bronze and Iron Age barrows. For those who don't know what a barrow is, it's where they buried people thousands of years ago. So that's going to be quite cool. I am currently just behind Lyndhurst Golf Course. And like I said, it's a lovely day, so I'm going to grab my stuff in a minute. I'll get out of the sun. That must be irritating. I'm going to grab stuff. Found a nice bit of holly that I think the Forestry Commission have been out cutting holly down again, so I've got a walking stick full of energy, got lunch in my bag, fresh bottle of water. The day is young, well, the day's about halfway through, but plenty of time to explore. Let's go. It's a really nice day out here, guys. Perfect for walking. We're in like the middle of September now. It must be above 20 degrees as well, easily. It's a bit windy, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. I'll try and speak up a little bit. But sorry about the video rattling around. Try not to do too much video when I'm walking. I've got this new bit. Oh, hello. It's a bit wobbly. So, see how we get on with it. So, yeah. Just going for a little walk through the Lyndhurst Golf Course, as you do. So, need to get onto the other side of the road to see these barrows, and then it's probably going to take me, I don't know, I'm going to try and get there within the next like half hour, 40 minutes, so should be cool. I've never seen them before either. I've been to there's a couple of hills that I'm going to try and video as well on my way there, because they're quite cool, but yeah, I've never actually been to these barrows. It's the first time I'm seeing them as well. I'm going to try and dig up a little bit of information about them. So yeah, I'll spin you back round. Oh, not very good at this. Go. This is quite a cool bit to come across because you've got to cross this little bridge. Wow, this is really wobbly. I might just hold it and just use the tripod. Oh no. Access denied apparently. The horses use this as a scratching post, and I think they broke both the rails on either side a while back. So it's good to see that they've come along and fixed it, but it doesn't help me right now, so I'm going to try and find a way across this little brook. Oh, it's quite a pretty little stream actually. Let's see if we can get across here. Oh, try not to fall in. Haha. We are through. So that is me on this part of the journey. I'll bring you guys back when I'm the other side of the golf course and going over the underpass. See you soon. We have another obstacle. Another little stream. I don't know what part of the river this is. I know it joins Bewley River. But it's quite a cool little stream through here. It's a bit dark for filming, but Cool little stream. Pretty. Get up through here. I'll see you guys in a sec. Under the road. It's a bit muddy, but I've got my boots. Squelchy. It's a bit nice, I can feel it going all over me. Through that, awesome. Get up this hill. Wow, pretty. Go that way over there. It's a noisy road there, very busy traffic, so let's get a move on. I'll see you soon, guys. I'm really sorry if it's windy, guys, but I just needed to stop. Over that ridge and up into that cropping of trees over there, and that is our destination. Sorry, I keep forgetting I need to keep speaking a bit louder. The wind's really bad, so I'm going to wait till I get in that cropping of trees and hopefully you'll be able to hear me. I really wanted to show you guys this because it is beautiful. Well guys, I didn't expect to see this on my journey today, and I don't know how close I'm going to be able to get to this to show you, but that over there is a white hart. King of the forest, shall they say. Sorry about the quality, my phone ain't great when I need to zoom in, but there's no way I'm going to be able to get any closer. I'm going to try. Let me go and retrieve my walking stick. We'll see if I can cross over there without disturbing them. I scared them. There's a few of them though. One or two of them over there. I'm going to come back this way, so maybe we'll get to see him again. This is why you should always follow your map. I've taken a wrong turn and now I'm in a bog, so let's see how this goes. Ridiculous. No, we're good. It's not that bad. The horses can get through it. I can get through here. I'm going to have to check my map in a minute just to see where the nearest trail is, because if it's all like this, this is not going to be a fun time. Oh Jesus. Right, that's me through that. Oh, it's quite quiet here though. Very open. I don't want to go across that. Ugh. So let's do this. Sick. Oh god, that wasn't as stable as I thought it was. That's all like a stream. I need a tree to cross. Right. Let's think about this, shall we? Wow, this is so bad. Oh well, now you guys can see what happens when you think you know better than the technology that's guiding you. Well, just got to spread your weight across it, it's good. Keeping me fit though. That's what the horses get really muddy when they come through here. Right, let's think about this. And now it gets worse. Oh god. I have to do a bit of jumping and hopping and skipping. What's that like over there? Okay, awesome. I do like how these trees though, like this is quite cool. Very spongy. I'm wondering if I can use these stumps to make it across there. Now we'll do this one here. Oh, I'm caught up somewhere. Let's get out here. Now I think I'm through. I think I can just about make this. Yeah, that's okay. That's better than I thought it was going to be. Awesome. Cool. So now I'm out of that horrible place. It's not horrible, there's these pretty white flowers down here. Let's go back over here and I'll see if I can show you without sinking. Cool, but anyway guys, I'm making my way over that way I think, so I'll catch up with you soon. Well, what have we here? Now, I'm not too sure, I'm pretty sure this mound is what we are looking for. It's not the precise ones I wanted to find, but these are Barrows, I believe. It's quite a cool place. And this is like a little, there's a little stream and a bog there. And this is like a big hill. So I'm going to climb up here and I'll meet you at the top. I made it to the top of the hill, guys. I believe this is called Fox Hill. Again, there's a lot of fox hills around here, and I think they got their name because this is where medieval people, I didn't realise this till a while ago, but medieval people were a lot more what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but they knew how to hunt, I'm telling you. Like, rather than scout in the forest all day every day for little game running around, they'd build things like this, a mound where the foxes would burrow, and then all the people would have to do is wait in the mornings or the evenings for the foxes to come out. They'd wait around with their bows and bang, they'd get them. But it's a very pretty view out through there. My destination is, I don't know if you can see from here, but just down through there. So I'm going to sit here quick, I'm going to get a drink, have something to give me a bit of energy. I don't know, I've got, what have I got? I've got some apples, some oranges, I've got some goodies in the bag, so I'm going to have a look and then we'll make our way down there. One of them rare moments you can sit in the sun next to the river and have some lunch. Let me spin this round quick. Sorry if it's really windy, guys, but it is what it is, I'm afraid. I just spoke to a really nice couple that are on their way down here from Cambridge, and had a little dog with them. Paddling in the stream there. This is one of my favourite places in the forest. It's called Longwater Lawn. Wow, that wind. Let me try and... I don't know if that makes a difference, guys, but I got my hand in front of the mic. But try not to get these cyclists and everyone in. I think my journey's over that way, so I'm going to pick my stuff up and continue. I've got the camera ready for these guys. Try to stay really quiet. One of them's got his eyes on me. For fuck's sake, the horses are going to scare him. Cool. Sorry about the quality, guys. I don't think I'll be able to get any closer without scaring them off, but I'll try. Slow and steady. There we go, they're getting up. I think it's all males over there, they've all got antlers. Go off into the forest. How lovely. So, after wandering around in circles for what felt like a very long time, I've found one. And I'm sorry, it's not much to look at. But this, underneath all these ferns, is a barrow. Let me see if I can squash a bit of these there. You can see it. See the little rise? It's about a metre tall. That's what it said online. It was gonna. There is another one over there as well, but I haven't quite located that yet. I was thinking it was here, but apparently when I'm on the map it says that that is it. You can sort of see how it rises. Yeah, there was a 3,000 to 4,000 year old dead person under there, which that's quite cool. Oh, someone having a walk over there. But yeah, so there is another one over there somewhere, which I'm going to try and find now. Just give me 5 minutes and I'll be back. It's a bit more pronounced, guys. Look at that. Close to the floor. There you go, that is a round barrow. Here we go, we're climbing the barrow. Cool. That's awesome. That is awesome. I don't know where I'm going to go now. I kind of want to just go down there and follow the river, so I think that's what I'm going to do. There is more barrows over there, so this is pretty cool. Cool. Wow. Definitely going to have to do a camp out here. What do you say, guys? 100%. So I'm going to get down to the river, which is down there, and I'll be back. Just have to stop quickly to admire the view, because this is beautiful. It's been such a nice day to go for a walk. All my hair's in my face, I can't see a thing. Following the stream. I love this little stream, it's so cool. I think this is part of Beauty River. So I'm just sorting my hair out, my walking stick. Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Will you do us a favour? Sell us your jawbone. Your jawbone. Sell it to us. You look a bit long in the face. Just going to slowly move around him. Hello, my guy. Very pretty horse. I think it is. I'm not too sure. I'm never really sure about horses until they try to urinate, and then you know. But there's another one there, his mates. Just eating. Thank you for letting me take your picture. Also, I feel like I should mention Blot Outdoors for the saying, I don't generally walk around asking horses if they'll sell me their jawbones. I got that from one of my favourite YouTubers on the Mr. Blot Outdoor Show. If you haven't checked out his YouTube, he's a very funny man. He does a lot of like stealth camping and wild camping and stuff. Sorry, the sun. Hair's in my face. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Get it out. Yay. I'm just going to keep walking this way, see where this stream takes me, and I'll catch up with you when I see something else that's cool. So guys, I just stopped up here to savour the ambience. It's stunning up here, and and there's a little log for me to sit on. So I thought, why not? Let's chill out for a minute. I'm going to spin the camera around so you can see. Wow. Sorry about the sun, guys. It is beautiful up here. Yeah, anyway, I was just perched down here, chilling, and I thought I'd get the phone out, because why not, when you're in a pretty spot. So I don't know where I'm going to go. Probably over that way somewhere. May have a quick smokable goodie. Sorry, I've got to put my hand over my face because I can't see. The sun is right in my face. What a state of my hand, Jesus. Oh, there's a really noisy train over there somewhere. It looks kind of mad over there, so I might just try and get up over there, like on this ridge here. I don't know, I was going to continue that way. See how we feel. Wow, the wind, man! Yeah. Right. The road goes over on, as Bilbo Baggins said. So, I'm going to pick my stick up, carry on moving. You little miss. How are you? How are you? Hello. You going for a drink, mate? Going for a drink, mate? I hear a train. Let's head towards it. Is that the bridge over troubled water? I wonder. It's got a pretty little spot. We must move on. There is a train bridge right next to me, but I've been that way before. And I want to see what secrets this way holds. See, that goes up over the train bridge. But I feel like there's something more magical down this way, so this is the way I'm gonna go. Little chestnut tree just chilling in the river. Oh. I'm going this way. Just found a little European cranberry bush chilling by the river. Apparently they're mildly toxic in large quantities, so I'm not going to eat any. Can I try one, do you reckon? Is that what these are? They feel a bit weird though. They don't feel particularly nice at all. So I'm going to pass on that, but I know where they are. I've made a little log on my phone. There's tons of crabapple trees near here as well. I've seen about 10. Is that another one? Oh no, that's holly. I'm going to keep an eye out there. There seems to be... oh, mistletoe. I've got no one to kiss under it. Who wants to kiss me? Right, we're going to keep following the river. I'm going to have to make a move back soon because I'm losing light. The sun is getting rather low in the sky. But we're cool. We're awesome. So onwards and upwards. I think I found what I was looking for. I sure did, man. Oh, there's a train coming. There's a short one. Yeah, we're going under here. I'm going to get wet feet, but I don't care. Blot. Oh, that's quite sweet. Well, I may have to put you guys down because I'm going to have to navigate this. So, bear with me. Nothing's an obstacle in my life. Let's go up here. I'm saying that like I've got a choice. Let's get up the hill. Wow. How awesome's that? I'm heading over where this path is. I might go just over here and check out that little forest. Before I do, train line along there. I'll catch up with you in a minute. I'm on top of the hill. There's some people over there. The sunlight through the trees, how cool is that? There's like a gap in between the trees. The sun's coming through. That's where I've just come from. I've just come through. There's a little gap down here. Direction. We'll see what we find when we go through these woods in a sec. So keep the sun on the left, and now I'm going the right direction. It's quite a cool spot. It's like a really big drop down here. Pretty sure there's another underpass under there as well, where the bridge is, which I didn't actually. Never knew there was a route underneath it. I've come through here once or twice and it always looked like it was blocked. I've got to continue up that path that way, I think, because I don't think there's a path through the forest. People on the bridge, walkers and stuff, so we're going to go this way. I can't remember. I know there's a gate up here, but oh yeah, it is. I think I've got to go through the gate. I'm sorry about the wind, guys. It's really bad here. I'm up really high. Ooh, that is bad. I'm going to put you away, guys, and bring you back when it's less windy. Does anyone else get like forbidden forest vibes when you're in these sorts of places? How straight all the trees are. That's the pine for you, the evergreens. Cool little forest though. On down the track. The road goes ever on and on, down from the door. I don't want to sing too much in case the Tolkien estate try copyright me or something. Do you know what we like? Is that a walnut tree? It may be. It's got no nuts on it. Oh, there might be more in this area though. I will keep an eye out. Munchable goodies. Is that another one? I think it's chestnut, not walnut. Hazelnut? Chestnut. The one I saw in the river earlier was hazelnut. Oh, is that a big one? That is. Wow, look at that. Look at the leaves on that. That's cool, isn't it? Look how big the leaves are. Big leaves. Leave me alone, mate. Okay. Suit yourself. And this one here. If I'm getting it wrong and these aren't chestnut trees, someone write a comment, let me know what they are. I could use the app on my phone, but that's not as inclusive, is it? Someone correct me, please. Anyway, keep going down the path. Home is in sight. Oh my god, guys, I've found the mother lode. I found the mother tree of the chestnuts. Wow. Are they ready yet? I don't think they are till next month. Please. Let me see. Let me see if I can get one down. Let's throw the stick down. Let's have a go. Oh, yeah, cool. I'm going to see if I can go. Oh, I'm gonna, bit of a weird view here, guys. Ah, God. Yeah. Right, let me get picking. And I will be right back. We're going over the bridge. The gate is right. It would have been nice if we could, like, you know, see over this thing, but I guess people's safety has to come first. See over there. Down the windy path. Just wanted to show you guys the bridge. I think I'm coming up to Ashurst Campsite now. Well, the back end of it anyway. Probably be home in about... Oh, I'm throwing my walking stick everywhere. Oh, that was a sweet chestnut tree as well, so I've loaded my bag up. I'll stop somewhere in a minute and show you what I got. But yeah, I've made a mental note of where that is as well. So maybe on a camping trip in October to December, we'll come up here and get some of them for dinner for the campfire. That's some roasted chestnut. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. That's how we like it. Lemonade. That cool, refreshing drink. I'm going mad. Now I don't know what way to go from here. I believe I've got to go that way. I believe. Though my gut instinct is currently telling me it was the other way, but we shall see. If the video comes back on and I state that I'm lost, it'll be I'm turning back around and coming back this way because I've gone the wrong way. So wish me luck. Back to civilization. This is Ashurst Campsite. I'm not sure if I should be filming here, so I'm going to keep it sweet. Dog walkers, please keep your dog on a lead. Keep to the main road through the site. I'm guessing this is the main road through the site. It's quite pleasant, isn't it? I'm not going to be videoing too much, because you know there's people like about and stuff. Not everyone likes being filmed, do they? Yeah. I'm going to put this away. When I get to the other side of the campsite, I'll pick you back up again. Stop, start the video. Hooray! See you soon. Well guys, that's me done for this evening. Had a pretty good walk. Just on my way back home. So, I will see you in the next one, which will probably be maybe Thursday for a wild camp video, which I'm really looking forward to, as you can tell. So that's me guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Had to stop and get a video of the moon, because that is pretty damn cool, man. The phone doesn't do it justice, but it's like, it's red. See if I can get a photo. These guys came over to say hi. I don't want to blind them, so hey my guy. Hey my guy. Oh, to you too. Hey. Hey. Oh, I tried to give him a stroke. They're so cool. I don't want to blind them, so I'm going to say bye.